This is the GEN2 Table Top Kit, and I'm going to show you how it goes together. We're going to start with the printed foot rails. These have TPU feet that you can print, and they just snap into place. You can also purchase rubber feet and stick those to the bottom of the foot rails. I have a link to those in the description. With the feet in place, we'll just slide those onto the drawer case and lock it in place using an M3x6 screw. To prep the lid for installation, we just need to add 2 M3 nuts to it. Pull them into position using a short M3 screw. Next, we'll slide that onto our topmost drawer case. To lock the lid in place, slide a lower rail lock onto the rear rail of the drawer. Use a M3x8 screw to lock it in place. To install the drawers below that, we're going to install an upper rail lock. Slide the drawer into place and install a lower rail lock. Once again, using an M3x8 screw to lock that in place. And last, attach the lowest drawer case with the attached feet to the assembly. And that's it. You can now use a GEN2 drawer on your desk, your computer desk, your workbench, your kitchen table. I mean, the sky's the limit. I'm actually going to use this next to my Prusa XL because I have a lot of tabletop space there, but I needed a few more drawers, so I'll just show what that looks like. For more information about the original GEN2 drawers, check out my installation video on how they work, or visit my Printables.com profile page to see what's new and available.